Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. This video is very important, so please watch it till the end. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so you can get all the notifications from my channel. So now let's discuss the theorem. Theorem says that if the function f dash exists and is bounded on closed interval ab, then f belongs to the bounded variation on closed interval ab, right? So simply function कैसा है हमारा f dash exist. एफ डैश मीन्स फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है. अगर फंक्शन में डेरिवेटिव एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है मीन्स फंक्शन वाज आल्सो कॉन्टिन्यूअस, राइट, एंड इज बाउंडेड ऑन क्लोज इंटरवल ए बी ऑल्सो. सो देन फंक्शन इज बाउंडेड वेरिएशन, बिलोंग्स टू द बाउंडेड वेरिएशन ऑन क्लोज इंटरवल ए बी, राइट. So how to prove it? Let's see. Very simple approach. If function is bound, if dash exists and it's bounded on closed interval ab, so we can show that function is bounded variation on closed interval ab, right. So first consider the partition. We are taking the partition p, which is equal to the x0, x1, x2. I'll take the partition and randomly I'll take the partition on closed interval ab. So x0, x1, x2 and so on, xi minus 1, xi and so on up to xn. Okay, here I am taking xn is equal to the b and x0 is equal to the a. So x0 a है and x0 xn जो हमारा वो b है closed interval ab में, right. So a to b under closed interval ab. I'll take this partition. Okay, एंड द फंक्शन गिवन है कि एफ डैश जो है वो हमारा बाउंडेड है ऑन क्लोज इंटरवल ए बी. सो इफ फंक्शन एफ डैश इज बाउंडेड, डेरिवेटिव फंक्शन का बाउंडेड है, देयर एग्जिस्ट अ के, राइट. इफ देयर एग्जिस्ट अ पॉइंट के विच इज सच दैट सो एफ मॉड taking a mod of f dash x is less than or equal to the k, this is the condition of bounded function is bounded, then this condition exists, right. So the condition is exist if function is bounded, derivative of this function is bounded on closed interval a b. So there exists a point k such that mod f dash x is less than or equal to this particular number k for every x belongs to the closed interval a b के लिए. So now consider I am taking here this variation of function of bounded variation condition. So bounded variation function condition is that supremum of summation I is equal to 1 to n, supremum of mod f of xi minus f of xi minus 1, right. So I am taking the supremum after this function when I am solving this function. Okay, then I will take at the end supremum of this function, right. So I hope it's clear. So let's understand. So I am taking here the summation running I is equal to 1 to n and mod f of xi minus f of xi minus 1. And now I am going to use by Lagrangian mean value theorem. Lagrangian mean value theorem tells you about that f of xi minus f of xi minus 1 and upon xi minus xi minus 1 in equal to the f dash of xi. Okay, or f dash xi I am taking as a common. You can take f dash x as well. So here summation I running from 1 to n mod f dash xi into delta xi. Delta xi is nothing but the xi minus 1 I am taking. Okay, so xi belongs to the xi minus 1 and xi interval xi का ही है, xi minus 1 से xi के बीच में है. And now I am taking this summation I is equal to 1 to n f dash xi into mod of xi minus 1. I can take the mod. Okay, this function I will take a mod this function. Then this function is less than or equal to the sigma I is equal to 1 to n k into xi minus 1 f dash xi. You know that ki f dash x function is less than or equal to the k, because as you know ki function f dash is bounded. So if f dash is bounded, so we can write this condition less than or equal to the k times into xi minus 1, right. So it is equal to also less than or equal to this function. So and you know that about delta xi is also greater or equal than 0, and so this function is equal to the k times into b minus a, where xi minus 1 is, you know that when you put I running from 1 to n, then this function will exist x0 xn minus x0. So xn minus x0 is nothing but b minus a, right. So here I am putting b minus a, k into b minus a, right. So when I am putting k into b minus a, then now function will exist, function of bounded variation a to b is equal to the supremum. Now I can take supremum of summation I is equal to 1 to n f of xi minus f of xi minus 1 and is equal to the k times into b minus a is nothing but the less than plus infinity, or you can say that this is a finite term. Okay, so this is the finite term. Now you can see the function is bounded variation, right. If function value is positive and it is less than infinity, means it is a finite number. So you can say this function is bounded variation. So now we can say that thus function belong to the bounded variation on closed interval ab, right. The first thing that you can do is The first thing you can do here from this equation, so k into b minus a, I'll put that, and then I can take the supremum of this function, right? So when I'm taking the supremum, so if you take the supremum of this function, so sigma of f of x belongs to the variation of function a to b is equal to the supremum of this function, and this is finite, so we can simply prove this. If you have any query regarding this, you can please comment me. I'll definitely answer all queries, and please subscribe to my channel if you are new on my channel. Thank you so much, viewers. We will be meet soon in the next video.